Naghahanap ka ba ng comprehensive health insurance? Let me share with you AIA Health Cover. This is a 7-in-1 plan by AIA Philippines. Ito yung mga benefits ng AIA Health Cover. So isa-isahin natin. This is for age 30 female. Simulan natin sa basic plan. Since AIA Philippines is a life insurance company, ang pinaka-basic na ating coverage ay yung tinatawag natin na life insurance. So ito yung matatanggap ng ating beneficiary or family members in case of premature death. So immediately, pag na-approve na yung plan at effective na ito, cover na po tayo until age 100. Whether yung cause ng death ng member ay because of accident, sickness, or because of old age, covered rin po dito. Ang kagandahan sa insurance, kahit na isa pa lang ang nahuhulog natin, malaki na agad ang coverage. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo, kahit na isang quarter pa lang, isang taon pa lang, covered ka na agad ng more than 1 million para dito sa age 30. Puntahan naman natin yung second benefit, which is yung Critical Protect 80, tsaka yung Minor Critical Illness. So, kaya tinawag na health insurance kasi nakafocus siya sa critical illness coverage. So, immediately, pag na-approve na yung plan, mag-aantay lang tayo ng 90 days na waiting period bago ito mag-take effect. Meaning, dapat nung time na kumuha tayo ng plan, wala tayong existing health conditions. So, dito sa plan na to, hindi na po allowed ng ating company na magkaroon ng critical illness coverage at iba pang mga hospitalization benefits pag elevated blood sugar na or diabetic. Yung Critical Protect 80, ito po yung tinatawag na coverage natin for major illnesses. Mamaya pakita ko yung list. And then yung minor critical illnesses, kapag early diagnosis, syempre minor critical illnesses ito, 25% of the major critical illness coverage, i-advance na natin ma-file as claim pantulong sa medical or hospital expenses. Ito nga pala yung 57 covered major illnesses ng ating Critical Protect 80 na additional benefit for the plan. So kasama dyan yung major natin na mga critical illnesses, cancer, stroke, heart attack, coma, lung disease, kidney failure, liver cirrhosis, etc. So how does it work? So for example, yung member, 45 years old siya, kumuha siya ng AIA Health Cover. So after 5 years, na-diagnose siya ng end-stage cancer, which is part ng ating 57 major critical illnesses covered nitong plan na to. So mangyayari, kung 1 million yung coverage, 1 million yung maifa-file natin kay AIA para pang tulong sa recovery and other medical or hospital expenses nung member. So take note lang, meron tayong 14-day survival period bago natin ito ma-file mula nung date na na-diagnose siya. Sa plan na to, hindi kailangan maging malala yung health conditions ng member when it comes to critical illness kasi meron din tayong tinatawag na minor critical illness coverage. So ito yung 34 minor critical illnesses, kasama rin yung mga illnesses na nagko-cover sa mga kids up to age 22, yung mga juvenile CI list na sa taas. Tapos ito naman yung mga early stages ng cancer, so may mga pangalan dyan. And then ito yung mga nasa baba. So for example, yung member, kumuha siya at age 45, after 5 years, nung 50 years old na siya, na-diagnose naman siya ng early stage malignancy. So, pag itong coverage na to, 25% ng major critical illness coverage, so kung kanina 1 million, 25% nun pwedeng ma-file as minor CI coverage or benefit. So, mangyayari, 25% of 1 million, that's 250,000. So, yan yung may file natin for this plan. So again, after 14 days survival period, bago lang tayo makakapag-file. And dahil lagpas na siya sa 90 days waiting period, dahil 5 years na yon, we can file then for the claim. Yung third out of 7 benefits ng plan na to is yung tinatawag natin na hospital income benefit or daily hospital income benefit. So minimum 12 hours pag na-confine yung member, we can file for this hospitalization benefit, maximum 365 days. Kung 30 days na-confine yung member, kunyari 1,000 yung DHI coverage natin dito for the plan, 1,000 times 30 days, 30,000 yung pwede nating ma-file sa claim na to. Sa daily hospital income benefit, pwede siyang 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 at 5,000 per day of confinement. For daily hospital income benefit, meron lang tayong waiting period na 30 days bago to mag-take effect. So, take for example sa baba, yung member na confined daw siya noong January. Yan, January 2021. And then after 2 months, nung March, na-confine siya sa hospital, nagkasakit yung member for 30 days na confine. So, mangyayari, 1,000 na benefit natin, kunyari yun yung kasama sa plan, times 30 days, that's 30,000. So, itago lang lahat ng SOA, yung mga hospital bills, OR, syempre discharge slip, para ma-file natin ito. Yung fourth coverage natin ay tinatawag natin na medical benefit, ito yung HMO for confinement. So since March 2023, nabili na po ni AIA, formerly Philam Life, si Medicard, kaya ang nakatouch dito sa plan natin ay Medicard HMO. Just like Daily Hospital Income Benefit or DHI, itong medical benefit or HMO for confinement ay magte-take effect 30 days mula ma-approve yung plan. Meron tayong 4 different plans na pwedeng pagpilian. So, plan A, B, C, at D. So, tingin lang muna tayo dito sa plan A. So, yung plan A, 500,000 per year. So, total na lahat ng mga illnesses. So, itong coverage na ito is 90-10. 90% i-charge sa card subject to inner limits. Ito yung pagbabasihan ng billing. And then 10% after PhilHealth. Yon, so mangyayari yung member or yung client na ang mismong magka-cash out. Again, nakafocus po ito sa confinement. So, kung na-ER, tapos nag-lead to confinement, pwede pong i-charge dito sa card. And then, ito lang po ang pwedeng ma-reimburse dito. Meron lang tayong notes for pre-existing condition. So, pag meron na tayong current health condition, kunyari merong asthma, o kaya naman na-opera na sa gallbladder, kidney stone, or ito goiter, arthritis, ganyan. For approval naman ng AIA yan kasi pwedeng ipa-medical tayo. So, mangyayari, hindi muna po tayo mako-cover within the first year ng medical benefit. And then, for the main plan, basic plan natin, di ba, yung life insurance, after 2 years pa po mako-cover yung cost ng pre-existing condition. Ang kagandahan sa plan na to compared dun sa traditional health card, kasi kunyari may asthma ako, ang mangyayari 5K to 20K lang po yung mako-cover doon even if mag-renew ako on the second year, third year onward, so forever na siyang limited. Pero dito, sa AIA Health Cover, if ma-approve tayo ni AIA after answering the medical questions and if ever kailangan magpa-medical, nagawa po natin at na-approve, after 12 months, mako-cover na po ng at least 500,000 yung ating health conditions na asthma or yung mga pre-existing condition natin na dineclare. Yung fifth benefit natin ay tinatawag natin na waiver of premium for critical illness. Meaning, pag yung member ay na-diagnose ng major critical illnesses like cancer, stroke, heart attack, stop na yung payment mo, pa-file natin yan kay AIA, tapos si AIA na yung magbuhulog ng ating plan para matapos ito. Kunyari, 20 years to pay yung plan, tapos after 5 years, yung member na diagnose ng CI. So, meron pa siyang 15 years to pay, si AIA yung maghuhulog doon. Pag na-take effect na yung waiver of premium for critical illness, ang mangyayari, covered pa rin tayo ng life insurance, tsaka yung daily hospital income benefit. Kasi yung critical illness na i-file na natin. Tapos dito, mag-stop na yung coverage ng medical benefit. Yun yung hindi na masasama sa babayaran ni AIA based dito. Maganda tong benefit na to kasi we don't know kung kailan magkakasakit yung member. So ito, binibigyan tayo ng protection na during paying period, if that critical illness has happened, major CI, so mawi-waive siya, si AIA ang magbabayad. So how does it work? For example, yung member, 45 years old siya, and then na-diagnose siya ng early stage malignancy nung age 50. So mangyayari, 25% ng 1 million na critical Protect 80 na coverage, that is 250,000, ang start na natin ma-file as advanced coverage. And then, after 5 years, naging end-stage cancer siya. So, yung 1 million, dahil na-claim na natin yung 250,000, so 750,000 na lang yung ating makiklaim. And then, kung 30 days siya na-confine, 30,000 yung makukuha sa DHI. Tingnan natin kung paano ba nag-work ang medical benefit na shinare ko kanina. So for example, yung member, ang napili niya ay Plan B. So meaning 1 million per year yung aggregate limit. So lahat na ng mga illnesses for the coverage pag na-confine. So kunyari na lang, 156,000 yung naging actual bill. Ibabawas muna yung mga pwedeng maibawas ng PhilHealth kung meron tayong ganon. So, ang balance nito, 132,000. So, multiply ng 90% subject to inner limits. Ang na-allow ng ating plan ay i-charge ang 120,000. Anything in excess, ito, 12,000, yan yung ika-cash out na ng member. So dahil meron tayong tinatawag na DHI or Daily Hospital Income Benefit, for example dito sa plan 2,000 per day siya at na-confine siya for 5 days, that's 10,000 pesos. Pwede nating itong i-file for reimbursement pag na-discharge na yung member. So pag na-credit na sa bank account yung 10,000, so sa binayaran na 12,000, so parang 2,000 lang yung naging cash out ng patient. Tulad na lang dito sa aming client na na-confine before, ang bill niya is 500,000 plus. So, ang na-charge dito sa AIA health cover niya, itong medical benefit, that's 369,000. So, ito na lang yung kinash out niya. Punta na tayo dito sa 6 out of 7 na benefits ng ating plan. So, ito yung tinatawag natin na AIA Vitality. Si AIA Vitality is a science-based health and wellness program ng AIA kung saan nire-reward tayo for living a healthy lifestyle. Kapag naka-attach siya sa plan, for example dito sa AIA Health Cover, binibigyan niya tayo ng additional 20% upfront coverage. So example, 1 million yung life insurance, immediately may additional tayo na 200,000. Kaya if ever premature death, yung na-experience yung member, 1.2 million yung life insurance coverage. Hindi lang doon, pati sa critical illness, meron tayong additional coverage. Meron din tayong coverage na additional sa Daily Hospital Income Benefit. Yung medical benefit at WPCI lang ang hindi. Itong Vitality, matagal na itong nag-exist all over the world. Nagsimula ito sa Africa, so more than 20 years na. So, kinag-create siya ng program para kung saan, syempre, ma-avoid natin itong mga poor lifestyle choices natin. So, yung 4 na controllable behaviors na pwede natin is yung physical inactivity, unhealthy diet, smoking, and excessive alcohol. So, kaya na-create si AIA Vitality kasi nga pag namili tayo ng mga right choices to take good care of our health, ire-reward niya tayo. So, kaya meron din tayong mga partner merchants na ipapakita ko sa iyo later on. Ito kasi mga poor lifestyle choices na to, it can lead to 4 chronic conditions. Usually, ito yung regarding sa respiratory diseases, diabetes, cancer, and cardiovascular disease. And ito ay nag-account for 80% of the deaths worldwide. So itong AIA Vitality, ginamify niya yung program na ito. So para lang tayo naglalaro na pag na-reach mo yung steps na to, you'll get 50 points. Pag na-reach mo yung weekly step goals, you can claim that 100 pesos kung GCash, Coffee Bean, at iba pa nating partners. So ito ay nahati sa pag-encourage sa atin to do the health activities para mabigyan tayo ng points, ma-reach natin yung targets, at mabigyan tayo ng reward. Yung first 3 rows sa taas, ito yung mga partner merchants natin wherein pag bumili tayo sa kanila or nag-avail ng services nila, discounted po tayo. So ipakita lang yung ating AIA Vitality e-card na makikita dapat sa app, ganyan. So meron tayong discount sa partner merchants like Gold's Gym, High Precision, si Ideal Vision, Makati Med, UFC Gym, si Medicard na AIA company na, si Garmin, si Runner, si Samsung, si Toby Sport, si Philippine Airlines, si EK, si Ayala Malls, and then si Seda Hotel. Dito naman sa last, yung active rewards na tinatawag, ito yung naglalakad ka lang, makakakuha ka ng 100 pesos a week, and that's 52 weeks. Pag nagawa mo yun regularly, it's 5,200 na discount mo from your plan. Ang bonus pa doon, naging healthy ka pa. So, magkano nga ba ito? Di ba, ang dami-dami ko nang na-share. 6 pa lang out of 7. So, ito po, for age 30, 64,000 siya per year. And then, ito yung mga available natin na payment options. So, for example, for age 30, immediately pag na-approve na yung plan, covered na siya ng basic coverage or life insurance na tinatawag na more than 1 million up to age 100 pag na-approve na yung plan. And then, covered rin siya ng 1 million coverage na Critical Protect 80 until age 80 for major critical illnesses. And then, hindi kailangan maging malala yung sakit. Kaya meron tayong coverage na minor critical illness na 80 up to age 80 rin na 25% ng major CI pwedeng i-advance na nating i-file. So, dito, 250,000. Ayan. So, ito, again, pag critical illness, magte-take effect ito after 19 days mula ma-approve ang plan. And then, syempre, meron tayong 14 days waiting or survival period bago tayo makapag-file ng CI claim. And then, yung next natin coverage is hospital income benefit na covered tayo until age 65, na para dito is 1,000 pesos per day, maximum 365 days. So, magte-take effect to 30 days mula ma-approve ang plan. Ito namang next ay WPCI or Waiver of Premium for Critical Illness. So, mako-cover tayo nito during paying period pag na-diagnose ng major illnesses yung member like cancer, stroke, heart attack at iba pang health conditions na 57 major conditions. Mawi-waive yung paghuhulog, si AIA na yung maghuhulog para sa ating plan, except lang yung sa mataterminate natin na medical benefit. So itong medical benefit, nakadepende yung coverage nito kung ano yung paying period natin. So itong plan na to, itong 60 plus thousand per year is 20 years to pay. So 20 years tayo mako-cover. Pwede ring 10 years to pay, 10 years tayo mako-cover, pataas lang yung paghuhulog. So dito, 20 years to pay siya, so covered tayo ng 500,000 for the next 20 years, up to age 50 kung 30 years old yung member. So kanina, nag-share rin ako regarding Vitality membership kung saan nabibigyan tayo ng upfront 20% coverage for our benefits na life insurance, critical illness, at daily hospital income benefit for as low as 1,200 per year. So maglakad ka nga lang, bawin-bawi na agad itong 1,200 para sa membership mo. Just like traditional health card, nag-i-increase rin yung premium natin for this plan kasi meron tayong HMO for confinement. So, yun yung tinatawag natin na medical benefit. So, year on year, ito na yung premiums natin, nakalagay na sa contract. So, ang kagandahan dito, even if nagamit at na-max out yung 500,000, so hindi ka magugulat na mag-shoot up ang premium mo next year na baka hindi mo na mahulugan. Ito, naka-spread out for the next 20 years kung sakaling yun yung napili mong paying period. So, magamit or not yung card, ito po yung huhulugan natin. So, kunyari for 20 years, that's a total of 1.48 million. But wait, there's more. Di ba sinabi ko, 7-in-1 plan to? So, ito na ang 7th benefit, which is yung tinatawag natin na Future Health Fund. So, kanina, naghulog na tayo, for example, yung member from 30 years old up to age 50 ng 1.48 million. Marerecommend ko na dahil nga syempre sa old age, dun lumalabas na yung mga health conditions natin. So, wag tayong mag-withdraw agad-agad dito sa Future Health Fund. So, for example, dito na lang tayo at age 65. Yon. Kasi, di ba, naalala nyo kanina, shinare ko, yung daily hospital income benefit, yun yung pwedeng may reimburse na minimum 12 hours na confinement, up to age 65 tayo mako-cover. So, by age 65, pwede tayong kumurot-kurot, tinatawag natin na partial withdrawal. So, dito, kunyari, at 4%, 970,000 yung ating pwedeng makuha. Pero, sana kalahati, 60% yung kunin, para covered pa rin tayo. Kasi nga, pag winidraw mo lahat, o kaya pag due to old age, mataas na yung cost of insurance, mas mabilis maglalapse yung plan. Pero pag naging mas maganda yung economy natin at naging mas mataas yung interest rate by that time, kunyari 10%, 5 million yun. Or kung makakapag-antay ka pa, so up to age 80. So bakit up to age 80? Kasi nga yung coverage ng ating critical illnesses ay up to age 80. So mangyayari, kung sakaling nag-antay pa tayo bago natin withdrawin yung buong health fund, so mangyayari dito, that's 1.7 million for 4%. Di ba yung hinuluguan mo kanina, 1.40 plus lang kung age 30 female ka? So kumita pa yung money, ang dami mo pang mga coverage. Lalo nung time na naguhulog ka pa, malaki na yung kinover ni AIA for you. Eh paano kung 10% pa by that time, di ba? So that's 20 million pesos na health fund. So magandang, pwedeng withdrawin na yan kasi baka by that time kailangan mo na ng money pang health expenses, and then pwedeng gamitin mo yun as retirement plan, ipamana sa mga apo, business fund, o kaya travel fund, etc. Kindly note na kapag winidraw mo na yung money dito, stop na rin yung coverage mo for life insurance. Alam mo ba, yung additional upfront coverage na 20% natin sa AIA is for the first year lang yon. So, nagbabago ito year on year, depende kung gaano ka-active at kung gaano mo pinapahalagahan yung health mo. At pag-sync ng mga daily activities natin dun sa AIA Vitality natin app. So, ito yung mga changes natin year on year. So, syempre, pag nakaka-gold ka tsaka platinum, pwedeng tumaas pa yung mga additional coverage nang wala ng dagdag na premium. So, papakita ko sa iyo kung paano. Kindly note na by the end of policy year, kung naging vitality status natin is silver tsaka bronze, nababawasan yung ating additional upfront coverage. So mas maganda kung gold tsaka platinum, so tutulungan ka na lang ng AIA Life Planner mo kung paano ito magagawa. So ganito siya. So lahat tayo nagsisimula muna sa bronze, so may additional tayo na 20% coverage. So ito yon. So pag nag-bronze ay pag nag-gold tayo after a year, may additional 5% ka. So, magiging 25% na yung additional coverage. So, ito yung nakalagay sa rightmost column. So, maganda dito, you can get additional coverage for your life insurance, critical illness, and daily hospital income benefit just by living a healthy lifestyle. That's it. So, those are the coverages ng ating AIA Health Cover. So, 7-in-1 plan kasama pa yung future health fund mo. So, for more questions with regards to this plan and other AIA life insurance plans, you may comment down below or you can send me a message.